Hi there, in this short screencast, I'm going to show you how to use the Q&A feature in Google Slides. So I have my slideshow or presentation ready to go, and I want to run a Q&A session where my participants or my students can share questions with me using the URL, and then I can answer those questions as I'm working or share those with the students. So it's quite easy to use this feature. We actually just use the present button over here. And if you click on the little arrow or drop down menu next to the present button, you'll notice that there's a presenter view. And this option will create that Q&A feature and will also show you your speaker notes as well. So you're on your screen, you can see your Q&A, you can see your speaker notes, and on the other screen, your audience or participants will only see the slideshow. So I'm going to click on this button here, and you can see when I do that, it actually opens up the presentation. So that's what I would share with my audience. And then here is my presenter view. I've got a counter here that's running, so it's giving me an indication of how long I've been presenting for. I can pause or reset that. I can move to different slides using the arrow or toggle features here. You can see on this screen over on the right-hand side, this is where my speaker notes would appear. So if I've written any speaker notes at the bottom of my slide, they would appear here, and I would be able to look at those and refer to those as I'm presenting to my audience. And remember, the audience isn't going to be seeing this screen. This particular smaller screen is only accessible to me as the presenter. If I click on Audience Tools, it opens up the Audience Q&A section. So I click Start Now, and this will create the link at the top of your presentation that says Ask a Question and directs the audience where to go to ask the question. The questions will actually appear in this screen here. So I can see them and I can toggle them on and off. So if I don't want to accept any more questions during my presentation, I just toggle that feature on or off in that way. Now, what will happen is when a participant shares a question, you will see it appear on your questions appear screen here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into this URL with a different device, and I'm just going to post a question so you can actually see what happens during the process when an audience member does ask a question using this feature. So I'm just popping in the URL, see, and I hit go. Okay, so now I'm going to ask a question. I've just said hello. Now you'll see that hello appears here on my question screen. I can then choose to present that. So if I hit that present button, the audience will see that there. I can hide that, I can like that, or not like that if I choose to. And that is how you use the speaker notes. Thanks for listening.